This man noticed something hanging on a fence by the side of the road. As he got closer, he was shocked. It was a puppy, its mouth taped shut and all four paws tied together. The poor pup was gasping for air, so the man immediately tried to perform CPR. When he realized it was still breathing, he rushed it straight to the nearest clinic. Thanks to their quick care, the puppy survived and slowly recovered from the cruel treatment it had suffered. And if you believe no animal should ever be treated this way, subscribe.